Hi everyone, I hope you're all still doing alright. I am back with another Slovene lesson today, and today I'll be teaching you how to ask for directions and also how to tell someone directions. If you want to ask someone, excuse me, where is something that you're looking for, so for example, where is the bus station, you would say oprostite, kje je avtobusna postaja? Oprostite, excuse me, where is kje je, and the bus station is avtobusna postaja, which you should already know if you've watched my very first Learn Slovene with Sandra video. To repeat, if you want to ask someone for directions, you would say oprostite, kje je, and then you would insert the place you're looking for. So for example, oprostite, kje je avtobusna postaja, or oprostite, kje je pošta, which is the post office. Oprostite, kje je trgovina, where's the store, and so on and so forth. Maybe for the next video we should cover all the different establishments, the places you could be looking for. But another way you can ask where something is if you say, for example, do you know where the bus station is? And the translation of this sentence would be Ali veste kje je avtobusna postaja. So, do you know where ... is? In Slovene would be Ali veste kje je ... So, ali veste kje je avtobusna postaja? Ali veste kje je pošta? Ali veste kje je trgovina? And now the third option to ask someone for directions is, sorry, can I ask you something? Where is the bus station? And the translation of this sentence would be, oprostite, vas lahko nekaj vprašam? Kje je ... So, kje je avtobusna postaja? Sorry, can I ask you something is, oprostite, vas lahko nekaj vprašam? Kje je means where is. So again, to repeat, if you want to ask someone where the bus station is, you would say, oprostite, vas lahko nekaj vprašam? Kje je avtobusna postaja? Or, oprostite, vas lahko nekaj vprašam? Kje je pošta? As always, I'll have all the notes, or I guess the transcript of this video, written down, and I'll send the PDF for free to everyone who is subscribed to my newsletter. The link to which you can find in the description box below. Now that we have the questions covered, let's move on to the answers. If you can point out something to answer the question. If someone asks you where the bus station is and you want to say there or here, for there you would say tam, and for here you would say tukaj, and probably point. But of course there's also a whole bunch of other words with which you can express where something is. So let me just give you, I guess, the most common ones you would use in this particular situation. If you want to say right, this for me is right, but for you it's probably this. Anyway, right is desno, left is levo, forward is naravnost, past is mimo, at the end is na koncu, and for example at the end of the street would be na koncu ulice, the street is ulica. Around the corner is za ovinkom. If you want to tell someone to cross the road, you would say prečkaj, or prečkaj cesto, cesta is the road. Behind is zadaj, next to is zraven, opposite is nasproti, and between is med. If you have a longer explanation of something, you would normally say, for example, first go left and then cross the road, right? So first in this case would be najprej, and then would be potem. Najprej pojdi naravnost, potem prečkaj cesto. I said first head straight and then cross the road. And then the two verbs that you would most often use in this conversation are the verbs to go and to turn. To go in Slovene you can either say greš or pojdi. Greš is almost like an instruction kind of form that you would use, whereas pojdi would be more of an order, but like a polite kind of order, if you know what I mean. It is a totally okay form to use in this case. Same goes with to turn. We would say either zaviješ or zavij. Again, zaviješ is kind of like a general instruction form, and zavij is more of an order, but in this case, like, both work. They are interchangeable. If we have a sentence, let's say, first go past the post office and then turn left, you would say najprej pojdi mimo pošte in potem zavij levo. But again, you can also say najprej greš mimo pošte in potem zaviješ levo. So totally interchangeable. But apart from potem, in this case, you can also use the word nato. So then is either potem or nato. Of course, if you don't know the answer, if you don't know how to direct someone, you would say, I don't know. I don't know in Slovene is ne vem. So simple, you just say ne vem or ne vem, oprostite, which is I don't know, I'm sorry. And if you want to give directions to someone but you're not 100% sure they're right, if you just think you're right, you would say, I think it's there. You would kind of start the sentence with mislim da je tam, or mislim da greš naravnost. The translation of mislim da je tam is I think it's there. So mislim da je is I think it's. And the translation of mislim da greš naravnost is I think you have to go straight. But yeah, the verb to think is misliti. Or if you're talking in the first person, you would say mislim. And then normally da would follow, mislim da. Before you would use another verb, which is either to be or to go, you know. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. If I was too quick, please forgive me. I'm kind of like chasing the last light of the day. But as always, you can always watch the video back as many times as you want. And yeah, like I said at the beginning, I will also be sending the transcript of the video, so the PDF with text and explanations, to everyone who is subscribed to my newsletter. I'll see you in my next Learn Slovene with Sandra video next week. Bye!
About to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking.